In the previous video, we had got the basic idea about what are synthetic fibers. Now in this video, we shall start with some basic types of synthetic fibers which are in your syllabus. So first is nylon. Now nylon was the first fully synthetic fiber. If you can see in this picture, these are some materials which are made from nylon. This rope, if you can see, it has a property that it is very strong. Its strength is very high. That is why it is used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. And it was made in the year 1931 without using any natural raw material. Okay, since I'm using the word first fully synthetic fiber, so it means that before it also some kind of synthetic fiber was made, and that was rayon was made from wood pulp, therefore it was not fully synthetic fiber, although it was synthetic. But nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. It is very strong, elastic and light. Since it is strong, it is elastic, and it is very light in weight, so it is very easy to carry. That is why it is used in making ropes and parachutes. And it is lustrous and easy to wash, so it is very popular for making clothes. It has a very shiny appearance, and we can means wrinkles are not there when we wash it. Okay, so some items which are made from nylon are socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, etc. and etc. Okay, then after nylon we are having polyester. Now after polyester is also another synthetic fiber, and the fabric means the cloth material which is made from polyester does not get wrinkled easily, means झुर्रियाँ नहीं आती हैं कपड़ों में, and it remains very crisp. So even after washing you won't see the wrinkles on the clothes. Okay, so and therefore it is very more suitable for making dress materials. तो जितनी भी shirts आप देखते हैं आजकल मार्केट में मोस्टली सब पॉलीएस्टर से हैं, क्योंकि wrinkles नहीं आते हैं धुलने के बाद पीन पे, और आयरनिंग ईजी है. ठीक है. Now polyester also has many types of categories. So one of them is terylene. Now terylene is a very popular polyester, and it can be drawn into very fine fibers. So fibers से yarn बनाएंगे, फिर yarn से we can make fabric by stitching or weaving by various methods. So polyester actually it's made up of repeating units, poly and ester. Okay, so ester is a chemical, and many such esters are synthesized together in the laboratory, and they together make up polyester. Okay, now apart from terylene, PET, polyethylene terephthalate, it is also a very familiar form of polyester. Okay, terylene is used for making clothes, shirts, etc. Now PET is used for making those bottles and utensils, then wires. Okay, since because of its strength it is used nowadays. Okay, now apart from polyester, and we had seen some of them, then we see about polycot. Now polycot, when we mix a polyester and cotton, in polycot, poly comes from polyester and cot comes from cotton. So polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. So these days some curtains are made from polycot, some bed sheets are made from polycot. And similarly, polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. So it's a cheap alternative of wool. Okay, made from polyester and wool.